This mesh hack filters thin whites for a perfect shape. Steam traps heat to cook the top instantly. No oil, no mess, just pure poaching science. Ditch the dangerous knife. This polymer blade uses safe serration to open avocados without any risk. For mangoes, this steel core extractor applies even pressure to bypass the fibrous pit. Efficiency meets safety. Perfect cuts in half the time. Achieve the perfect bagel slice every time with this manual precision slicer. No more uneven halves or squashed bread. Its circular blade ensures a clean, effortless cut through any crust. Say goodbye to stuck cakes. This thin metal strip glides perfectly to release your baking creations without any damage. It breaks the surface tension instantly for a flawless reveal every single time. Slicing soft fruit requires precise force distribution to avoid crushing. This multi-blade slicer uses parallel shear tension to create uniform cross-sections. Minimal friction, perfect geometry. This isn't just a pair of scissors, it's a leveraged cutting system that redefines kitchen efficiency. The integrated polymer base provides a stable pivot point, turning every slice into a perfect geometric cube. Hear that rhythm? That's the sound of precision engineering meeting high-viscosity food prep. Faster, safer, and incredibly satisfying. Measuring honey or molasses is a baker's precision nightmare. Standard cups lose volume due to surface tension and high viscosity. This plunger system uses positive displacement to eject every gram. Absolute accuracy, zero waste. Stop wasting batter. The physics of viscosity make whisks a nightmare to clean. This radial wiper uses mechanical pressure to strip every drop. Maximum yield, zero mess. The science of origami. This simple parchment box handles extreme heat better than you might think. The liquid oil absorbs the thermal energy, effectively preventing the paper from ever reaching its ignition point. This rapid heat transfer perfectly fries your food, all while keeping your pan completely dry and clean. Pure physics, or just the ultimate lazy win. This isn't plastic or ink. It is grass jelly, a legendary Taiwanese dessert. Made from the Masona plant, its deep black color is totally natural. Using a grater creates these silky strips, increasing the surface area for syrups. It is cooling, herbal, and has a unique elastic snap. Truly satisfying. Stop risking avocado hand. This 3-in-1 tool uses a safe serrated polymer to slice the skin. Its ergonomic design ensures precision without the danger of a sharp blade, total control, and perfect results in every motion. The secret to this fluffy omelette is low heat and double layering the cheese. Watch that perfect melt. It's all about the moisture trapped between the egg folds. Golden, cheesy, and ready in minutes. The ultimate breakfast goals. Forget knives. Use a whisk to dice your avocado instantly by applying even pressure through the fruit's pulp. The wire structure acts as a precision grid, separating the flesh from the skin, perfectly cubed for your salad in seconds. Stop using the microwave. This jar lid hack creates a steam chamber to reheat leftovers without drying them out. The water vapor restores moisture, making your food taste freshly cooked again. Perfect texture every single time. Is your stove flame weak and orange? That's incomplete combustion caused by carbon buildup in the gas port. Use high-volume hydrogen peroxide. It's a powerful oxidizer that breaks down stubborn grease and soot instantly. Clean the surface and the nozzle. This restores the ideal fuel-to-air ratio for a hot blue flame. Maximum efficiency restored. Save gas and cook faster with this simple chemical deep clean. Metal graters often trap precious citrus oils. This parchment barrier acts as a physical filter. It captures the zest while keeping the blades clean. No waste, just pure flavor and zero mess. Foil isn't just a wrap, it creates a mini pressure chamber. Butter adds fat for even heat distribution. Trapped steam builds tension until the kernels explode. Perfectly popped snacks through pure thermodynamics. This dual garlic press is the secret to extracting every drop of vibrant juice from fresh blackberries. The mechanical pressure breaks down the fruit's fibers, releasing intense natural pigments instantly. Pure, satisfying, and perfect for toppings. Stop struggling with stubborn can tabs. Use a fork as a lever to open them effortlessly and safely. Simple physics for a perfect kitchen hack. Stop fighting with stuck jar lids. This electric opener uses high torque rotation to break vacuum seals effortlessly. It's a game changer for accessibility, giving you back your independence in the kitchen. Just one button for a perfect hands-free open. Slice mushrooms with surgical precision using this manual wedge cutter. It's fast, clean, and perfectly symmetrical. The ultimate tool for consistent cooking and satisfying kitchen prep. Transform your hand mixer into a stand mixer using just a cooling rack. This simple hack saves your arms. It uses gravity and structural balance to stabilize the motor while you prep other ingredients. Efficiency at its finest. Turn your drill into the ultimate corn stripper. This hack uses high-speed rotation to dekernel a cob in seconds. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Perfect for summer BBQs. Stop scrubbing your kitchen rags by hand. This portable mini washer uses high-speed rotation to remove deep stains. Just add water, a drop of soap, and let the centrifugal force do the hard work for you. It's the ultimate time saver for a spotless and bacteria-free kitchen. Your hands will thank you. Still peeling by hand? This electric powerhouse uses centrifugal force to peel potatoes, garlic, and even grapes in just 20 seconds. Powered by a 50-watt motor, its stainless steel design ensures zero waste and professional results every single time. Compact, wireless, and easy to clean. Upgrade your kitchen efficiency now. Forget traditional hot dogs. We're using mechanical compression to mold ground poultry into a perfect cylinder. By using a polymer barrier and a flat spatula, we eliminate air pockets for a dense, uniform texture. This homemade dog gets a double coating for maximum surface area, ensuring a high-impact crunch after deep frying. Once golden brown, it's glazed in buffalo sauce, creating a spicy, hydrophobic layer, served with slaw and ranch for a perfect balance of acidity and fat. The ultimate culinary hack.